One more long time, no trade breakdown, boys. I've literally been, I won't even say lazy, but I've been tired. And then, I don't know, I said to God, the last time I recorded the video deleted from my laptop. Like, I almost fainted. The next day, I was not angry. I did not record. So, I'm just starting the new week with another trade breakdown because I haven't traded in the past 2 days. I didn't trade on Monday. Actually, I got a setup on Monday, but I didn't like it and I didn't take it. So that was gone. Then yesterday, market was so bad, like the prices was so bad, so I didn't trade it there. So this is my first trade of the whole week, Wednesday. So I'll just quickly show you guys the P&L for all the pocket watchers. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys the P&L. I made about $380, maybe $360 today. I actually wanted this to put me back on break even, but I kind of calculated it wrongly, so I'm a little bit down. I mean, from 96 to 900 and 9,900, so that's pretty okay. Then on my challenge account that I bought the other day, I passed the phase one with this one trade. Obviously, I risk like a dumbass on the challenge accounts. So I passed this on one trade finally because I bought this on my first payout. So that's been a month ago. So yeah, this is my first good trade so far. So I passed this I passed this on one trade. So just they've already sent me the logins for the phase two. So I mean I'll trade that one tomorrow. So anyway, trade breakdown. So what do we do? Usual shit as always. You find out where liquidity got swept and market open. Literally the same shit every single time. Market opens at 9:30, which is 2:30 Nigerian time. So at 9:30, we sweep these highs. Boy, it's as easy as that. The whole idea of the market opening and finding where market soft liquidity is because market always tries to trip out early buyers or early sellers. Like now, people who are trying to break out on this collect stop loss ASAP, the moment they feel the order, the market will trip you to the other side immediately. That's to show you that this thing is algorithmic, blah, blah, blah. Whatever, I get the point. That it's controlled. Our price is controlling it. So you can literally tell from this, and I'm going to show you extra proof that this is literally like an algorithm, like price is literally following an algorithm. So today on Discord, somebody sent me a trade that they took, and literally when market opened, what happened? Oops. When the market opened, what happened? Their stop loss got literally taken immediately. Like like market does this. Like, so when you're in a position before market open, when the stock exchange opens, it wants to trip out either those who caught the sales early or those who caught the buys, who are trying to catch buys when market opens. So it trips them out the other way. So what do? Market opens and we form so obviously my buyers for sales, right? Then clearly, as you guys know from I think I previous breakdown I did before, we have bullish fair value gaps here and a bullish fair value gap here. Then someone's going to ask me around like, oh bro, why didn't you just use the inverse? My boy, if market wasn't respecting that fair value gap before market opened, like if the candle wasn't a few minutes before wasn't already there, trust me, and it inverses when market opens, my boy, if you use that fair value gap and that inverse, you are cooked. You are going to get so cooked and you won't even understand like how quickly it will happen. So obviously I completely disregarded this entire fair value gaps here, and I just waited to see whether we form any PDRs in 5 minutes. So this 5 minute fair value gap. As usual, what am I looking for? I'm looking to see if price is going to retrace into the fair value gap. So is either we dump like this, we dump, get a tap in, react off some 1 minute fair value gap, or like have a reaction of it, and then we go to the downside and target some buys, some sell side liquidity, easy peasy. Or we form a 1 minute fair value gap and then we have our stop loss at the consequent encroachment of this 5 minute fair value gap, expecting that price will not tap into it again and just continue going lower because we're heavily bearish. I don't think I need to tell you what obviously happened here. Price formed a 1 minute fair value gap. So as you can see, this work. Let me just show you guys. This candle closed at 9:35. So from 9:40 when I started looking on the 1 minute time frame to see whether we form a 1 minute fair value gap. So, oops. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm kind of sick. Like my head is literally banging right now. But I'm gonna have to do this because people have been asking me since to do this breakdown. So there's a 1 minute fair value gap here at 9:49. So I literally just put my limits on this. I put it on all my accounts, and I put the limit here, and then have my stop loss at the consequent encroachment of this 5 minute fair value gap. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, bro. I targeted some sell side liquidity, which kind of was from a couple days ago. Now the funny thing is, okay, I'm going to get into that recently. I think my take profit was here because I did a minimum of 1:2. I think my take profit was here at first. So the thing is, when this trade was obviously in drawdown, like obviously this trade was in drawdown for some points. When price was here, that's why you notice that there are two executions on my funded account. Price was here, and I was like, bro, I strongly, like, I've seen this before. So this was really like experience. I could have been wrong, but it's kind of like experience where, okay, I'm going to show you on the 5 minutes. So on the 5 minute time frame, you can see that we move higher, strong rejection, move higher, dump, move higher, strong rejection. I was like, oh, now we are definitely bearish. And mind you, this is like an A+ setup to me because we didn't trade back into the 5 minute fair value gap. So this is already an A+ setup because I'm already expecting it to dump like a motherfucker. And then this now starts happening. I'm like, oh, nah. I mean, this is like typical support and resistance. Like, I was like, I mean, we're rejecting all this, rejecting. In my experience, I've already seen that, oh, nah, we're dumping. Mind you, with the fundamentals, like if you check the news about stocks, you'd see that investors are scared because of what, or are trying to adjust because of what Powell said yesterday on the news. So everybody is trying to sell Nasdaq right now. So yeah. But price Nasdaq was supposed to go lower today, so that's why I was even happy that my buyers already was sells. So yeah, that's how I caught this. I think I think I didn't really close here. I think it was a 1:3 actually. So yeah, that's basically how I caught this trade today. Very textbook setup. I take this all the time, and I will take this anytime, any day. So very nice trade. Passed my phase 1 of my account. Still in phase 2. Brought my accounts back, kind of break even, a little bit drawdown. So tomorrow is another day. Yeah, so tomorrow is another day. We go again. Hopefully, my payout is next week Wednesday. You see how fast these things just, like, these 2 weeks just come like this. So my payout is next week Wednesday. Hopefully, I can make more money on the account and then request my goddamn third payout, nigga. My third payout. Are you joking? So yeah, and this month has actually been crazy because I already made 7 figures this month. Naira, obviously. If you ever think that's dollars, you must be tripping. I've made my first 7 figures this month already. So this month has been crazy. Like, God has been good, man. I can't lie. Like, has been good. So I'll catch you guys again tomorrow to another breakdown. Hopefully it's a W because this month has been dealing with me, guys. People have been dealing with me for real. So yeah, I'll catch you boys tomorrow. Peace.